Imagine a dessert that's rich like chocolate, soft like pudding, and smooth like custard. That's exactly what we are making today, chocolate faluda pudding. Take 1.5 liters of milk, no water because we want this dessert to be rich and silky, so only full milk. While the milk heats up on medium to high flame, let's prepare our magic ingredient, agar-agar or china grass. I'm using 3 packets today and here's the easy ratio. For every half liter of milk, use 1 packet of agar-agar. So, since I'm using 1.5 liters, 3 packets is perfect. Add the agar-agar to a bowl, pour some water, give it a good wash and let it soak. This helps it melt quickly later, and trust me, it makes a big difference in the final texture. Once the milk starts boiling, add half a cup of Milkmaid. This gives the pudding a lovely creamy sweetness. And of course, you can adjust it based on how sweet you like your desserts. Next, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a little mix, just enough to dissolve everything nicely. And now the hero of this recipe, cocoa powder. Add 3 tablespoons of it. And here's my honest tip. The entire taste of this dessert depends on the cocoa powder you use. If it's rich and good quality, your Faluda pudding is going to taste so chocolatey and amazing. I've added the link to one I use in the description, so check it out. Add 1/3 cup of Hershey's chocolate syrup. You can use any syrup you have or even melted chocolate if you want it extra rich. Time to add our softened agar-agar. Strain the water out and drop the soaked pieces into the milk mixture. Let me tell you something very important. Sometimes when you add agar-agar, the milk might look like it's curdling. Don't worry, don't panic, nothing's wrong. Just take a blender and blend everything smoothly. It fixes perfectly. Blend it well, give it one final minute on the stove, and that's it. Your chocolate mixture is ready to set. Pour this liquid into any container or mold you like. Tap lightly to release air bubbles and then let it set for 30 minutes to an hour. And look at that, your silky, soft, creamy chocolate Faluda pudding is ready. It cuts beautifully, tastes heavenly, and honestly, it's one of the easiest chocolate desserts you'll ever make.